Dear friends, I'm here again, welcoming you back to my beautiful channel. I'm going to show you today how to make your fermented milk from what? From the milk culture that you make at home, or the milk starter that you make at home without buying from the shop. I'm going to show you how to make fermented milk using either the already fermented milk. This one has the starter in it, but it's the fermented milk, but it has the starter. This is what I use for my home. Kindly remember, if you're handling the probiotics, you have to make sure that you're clean, super clean, because if you contaminate it in any way, you're going to get a stale fermented milk. Now, either I take, this is my milk, this is like a liter, 1 liter, and now if I'm making with my already fermented milk that has the starter in it, of course, because once we do the starter, once we add the starter, we are not going to add anymore, only now to make sure that we leave some that we're going to add the plain milk. Now in this that is left, I can add 3 liters or even 4 liters, yeah, like 3 liters, so that I give it some space for fermentation, because once the gases are full, it might burst, you know, but the lid is tight, and you have to make sure that you use a tight lid, otherwise the gases will be forming. The more you add the fresh milk, every time you're adding to your fermented milk, the more the gases gets concentrated, the more the probiotics gets multiplied, and that's how now you get the probiotic milk, you see, from the fermented milk. I'm not going to add to this one because I already have some that I have to mix, but this is what we did, the starter that we did. Because of the video, I haven't kept it for 8 hours, but you can see already the milk curdles and the whey are separated very well. But the more you keep it, if I keep it for 8 hours, it will be more thick, the curdles will be more thick, and that's how now you'll be able even to separate. If you're making now the Greek yogurt, this is the best formula now to make, putting it in a bowl so that you'll be able now to separate the curdles and the what, and the whey. That is another one. Now I'm going to put here so that I'll be able to put, this is my starter, my culture, that we put the lemon, and the fermentation is on now, but it has to be, after keeping it, make sure you keep it for 8 hours. And then now this is 1 liter of milk, and then I'm adding 700 ml or closely 800 ml of culture. But you don't have to add, it's because I don't have, even if you have like 200 ml of culture into a liter, or even 200 ml into 2 liters, that is still okay, because it has the right strands. The strands are the bacteria and the yeast. I'm going to put it in my plain milk. This is how now you put your culture. Make sure that your milk is not hot. This one is either lukewarm or just room temperature milk, because you don't want to damage the bacteria. And now my milk is good to ferment. This one I just did because of the video. Just make sure you shake it. Yeah, within 2-3 days, my milk, my fermented milk, will be good to go. You'll just see the formation. If you see the separation of the whey, like we did in the other video, if you see the separation of the whey will be down, and then the milk curdles that separates the milk that separates from the whey will be up. Then now that is when you know that your milk is well fermented, and now that is how you stay healthy. Kindly, it doesn't cost us anything to be healthy, but it costs us a lot if we live unhealthy lifestyles. Kindly, thank you so much, my dear friends. I love you so much, and we are going far together by the grace of God. Thank you. Bye bye.